For heaven's sake.
Exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Fire door's closed. We're doing starters in biology. Oh, a dead strobe. A dead strobe. The Informacast hasn't been activated though. So I wonder if someone might have pulled the fire alarm. This might not be a drill. I doubt it's a drill because we did a drill last month and the elevator hasn't recalled. Okay, I stopped recording, but the enunciator, the annunciator says it's a bathroom smoke detector. So that scared the fuck out of me because my seat is right below the speaker strobe. Oh, for heavens. Hey, it scared the shit out of me because my seat was right below the fire alarm, so it scared the shit out of me. I think someone was like vaping in the bathroom because it was a smoke detector that went off. Now I didn't get this in the fire drill video. The Gentex Commander. I wish I had a fucking handheld scanner so I could hear the fire distance. Huh. That's it. Fire department's here. The fire department's here. The fire department. All the fire doors did close. So we'll open these back up. I didn't get that during the drill video, but yeah.